Okay, here it is, the Occoquan wash pad system, recently installed here at the Virginia Paving Occoquan site, 2012. Give you a quick rundown on it in case you ever want to build one. Basically, you got a pad, and in the back of the pad is the pit. That sea container there, it's full of filters and treatment equipment. You can see they built a little post here to keep people out. Anyways, it's got a stormwater bypass built into it. Kind of show you that here quick. We also use this for back trucks and dump truck beds, but anyways, a stormwater bypass. They wash the equipment, along the pad, and if they're washing, then basically you keep the plug in, and depends if you want to wash the stuff down into the pit or keep it out, whether you would put the gate up. You can see they have a nice little thing that forms into the concrete to get that elevation correct very easily. Here's just a simple well cap. It stays in, comes in and out pretty easy. You tighten that up if you're washing. If not, then it bypasses underground into this little utility. We got a sump pump in there. We didn't have the elevation to make it fall by gravity here, basically. So it's got a sump pump on a float. We had electricity wired out here. Let me turn this thing on. It should be on if you're gonna have a rain or something. But so that pumps underground. That pipe goes underground and pumps out over at a lower, different location. But here's the pit. So you basically have this channel. So you drive a piece of equipment down there. Anyways, there's a float. Here's how it discharges. This thing's pretty neat. It's a mister, an atomizing mister. So it recycles most of the water. There's two different types of water. There's high pressure water, and then there's the hot water with the steam cleaner. So there's like high pressure for gross knockoff, high volume water like a blaster, and we have that for the vac truck. So that's all recycled water. So anyways, going into the treatment shed, go through it quickly here. Everything's on a combo lock, so we have access. Turn the lights on here. It's got lights inside. It's actually got heaters. So here's the hot water cleaner. Here's some of the tanks. Here's the oil water separator. It's basically an oil water separator that treats the oils. This is a flocculant injection. It's a chemical that we use to control the sediment, and that's injected with these little feeder pumps. Big holding tanks. Let's see if I'll back up. There's one, and then there's a second one back there. So you have adequate mixing and holding time and whatnot. This is how the oil filters out. It's like one of those skimmer things, basically. You just put a 5-gallon bucket right there. Really simple. That's about it. Everything's pneumatic pumps, so real durable pumps. There's two of them that pretty much drives the entire system. A couple miscellaneous pumps here, and then there's polishing filtration. This thing's full of carbon, so it polishes it before it sends it back to the fan, or in other situations before we tie into sanitary drain. So go through all that filtration before we discharge it. That's about it. Hope you guys enjoy it, and good luck to you if you're building one. Bye.